Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. I am Arunima and in this video we'll see 10 essay topics which are important for your descriptive English paper for your exam NHB Assistant Manager 2020 which is going to be held on 18th of October. Okay, this is the third video of this series, Descriptive English. In the first video, we discussed about the examination pattern, previous year questions, what were the essay topics and letter topics asked last year. Then, since it is a qualifying paper, how to make sure that you qualify this test, because if you don't qualify this descriptive English, even if you score the highest marks in the objective paper, actually you will not be able to go for the interview. Okay, so it is really important that you qualify this descriptive English test. Then we discussed about the types of letters, format of the letter, and guidelines for writing a letter in your examination. Then in the second part, we discussed about essay writing, how to write an essay or a paragraph, how you should structure it, how you should make the essay flow. That means about the smooth transitions from one sentence to another sentence and also from one paragraph to the next paragraph. In this video, we'll see 10 important essay topics. Let us quickly see without wasting any time. So essay topics can be related to anything under the sun, but here we are going to discuss 10 important topics. And if you prepare for these 10 topics, actually, if you keep in mind all these 10 topics and just think about it, that if this is the topic, how I'm going to write, actually, even if you get a topic other than these 10 topics, you will be able to write a good essay. Okay, in the previous video, we have already discussed what are the points you should keep in your mind while writing the essay. So first, if we talk about recent current topics, it can be effects of COVID-19 on Indian economy, what can be done to minimize them, or changing social norms due to pandemic, or migrant labor and COVID-19, something like this. That means you must know about COVID-19, you must be knowing, and how it is affecting the lives of people, kind of how it is affecting our economy. Second, you must have heard about National Education Policy. Will National Education Policy 2020 transform the education system in India? Or uh, might be the topic will be related to Indian education system. Even if it is about Indian education system, you can write about what is the status at present, and then you should mention about this National Education Policy 2020. Okay, third is common eligibility test will replace preliminary examinations of most of the government sector exams. You must have heard about this news. Do you think it would be beneficial for the aspirants? So I have also made one video on this common eligibility test. You may watch that video also. Then, because of this Sushant Singh case, nepotism is also very much in news. So it may be, is nepotism restricted to Bollywood? What are your views, or anything related to nepotism? Next is, these were four topics. Next, five, measures towards a robust banking sector in India, or what are your views on bank mergers, or about NPAs, bane of Indian banking system, NPA and its impact on economy. So uh, they may ask about banking system. So one topic might be asked from banking or NPA kind of thing. Then sixth, India's capacity to respond to public health emergency because of COVID-19. This is an important topic, and also general the topic may be healthcare in India. Okay. Then do you agree that news media is biased, or social media, the good, the bad, and the ugly? So in today's scenario, this can also be one of the topics. Next, women empowerment for a better social order, or gender equality in India. So you should know about the women empowerment and how it is going to better the social order, or gender equality. What is the importance of gender equality in our society? Because all of us know that though our constitution says that men and women are equal, but gender disparity is there. Nobody can deny that. So how we can achieve gender equality and how the society can be benefited, uh, these points you can write. Next, Are climate change and air pollution two sides of the same coin? Or climate change widens the gap between the rich and the poor? And water crisis in India? Something related to environment, pollution, climate change, they may ask. Then last, use of artificial intelligence in day-to-day life. So I'm not saying that they are going to ask any one topic from these given 10 topics, but yes, I'm sure that even if one topic from this list is not there, but you are well prepared for these topics, even if something else they ask, you are well prepared for writing the same. So before I end this session, I would like to share with you two things. First, that all mock tests related to these banking and other government jobs, all mock tests are free at iExamB, absolutely free. You need to only register and then you can access more than 70 exams mock tests absolutely free. And second thing, we offer online courses for RBI Grade B, SEBI, NABARD, NHB, PFRDA, JIB, Bank PO, Bank Clerk, Bank SO, EPFO, LIC, FCI, and UK AAO. For all these exams, we provide online courses in which we provide pre-recorded videos, PDF notes, thousands of questions, mock tests, and also daily live classes. And besides these daily live classes, we also provide one-to-one doubt sessions, which actually helps the students a lot, study hive sessions, and a lot more. So if you are interested, you can, for more information, you can call at this number. So all the very best for your exam. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.